Uploading a dataset to Pundi AI Marketplace. Start by connecting your wallet to the marketplace. You will see all available datasets on the main page. To upload your dataset, click the hamburger icon next to your wallet address at the top right corner and select My Datasets. Here, click Create Dataset. Provide a dataset name, license type, and visibility, public or private. After filling out the form, click Create Dataset and approve the transaction in your wallet. Next, create a dataset card, which contains key information about your dataset. Select the data type, example, text, images, audio, language, and list type. Add data sources, especially if using multiple sources. In the README.md section, provide a detailed description of your dataset so users clearly understand its contents. After confirming the details, click Create Dataset and approve the wallet transaction. You can now upload your dataset files by dragging and dropping them into the upload area. Accepted file formats include text, CSV, zip, or JSON-L. Finally, set your dataset price in either Pundi AI tokens, BNB, or USDT. Confirm this with your wallet, pay the fee, and your dataset will be listed on the marketplace. You can view transaction details on BSC Scan using your transaction hash.